Boom.
Hi everybody, it's the Pokemon Kid and Papa. So today, I have Temporal Force and Paldea Fates, and Papa has Paradox Rift and Paldea Evolved. First, we're doing Temporal Forces versus Paradox Rift. Or do you want to do Paldea Evolved first? Go try.
You did it.
Water. Something.
Ooh, what's that?
Something.
I got a broom and a ladybug.
Something.
Yeah.
I love that one.
This is Cyclizar?
This is normal, yeah.
Cyclizar. Cyclizar or Cyclizar? Cyclizar? Okay, we can go with
I knew there was
Cyclizar.
something in there.
Okay, we ready?
I actually knew
Are
it.
you ready?
I think there's a big shiny in here.
Oh yeah, big
Or
shiny?
a gold card.
Is that Charizard? Or give me a Bubble Mew?
I'm gonna get the Bubble Mew.
Bubble Mew, Bubble Mew, Bubble Mew,
This feels
Bubble
heavy.
Mew. You always say that.
Okay, fine. It doesn't feel heavy.
Yeah? You got it, boy. Come on. Come on.
Nope.
Here we go. Here we go.
You're gonna get something. Oh!
Meow. What is that? Is that a tiger or something?
It's a gold card. You put so many gold cards.
Boom. Hold up. So that's 2 hits for me.
And that's 1 hit for me.
I think I know who won. I did.
No, I did.
Did you? Okay.
Yes, because I won.
Okay, well you tell me who you think won. Hudson or me?
I think I won.
That's a pretty cool card.
And
then- That's a pretty cool card. Okay, boom. Awesome, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe below. Follow. Bye.